hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I want to share with the community a new script that I created. It's called Greer Invest. Now, what I have here, what you're looking at here, is the chart for Apple, and I have a list of the top 100 companies in the US by market cap. So Apple's number one, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, and so on. And we're going to walk through these companies, a few of these companies, and show you how the Greer Invest strategy works. And then I'll dig a little bit deeper into the actual script and the results that I've seen. Again, my goal here is to help people do long-term investing, not day trading, but to help build up their portfolio and their investment strategies over time. And a lot of times my friends come to me and ask me, what should I buy? When should I buy it? How much should I buy? All those kind of questions. I never really have the answer because nobody can tell the future. But using this tool, hopefully it can help you on that journey. So, first of all, what we do is we have to install the, the indicator. Again, this is a private script. It's not on the public domain for TradingView. So if you want it, you have to shoot me a message or in the comments or ping me on TradingView. Basically, you click on here, you install the Greer Invest tool, and right away you'll see some things. First thing you see is down here, if you go to Strategy Tester, you will see for this asset that there was a net profit $165. You had total 10 trades closed, and there was an 80% profitability. Now, right now it's set so that it's only, buying one share. So like if you wanted to change that a little bit, see where I forgot where I can change that. I think it's the trading panel. Nope, it's not trading panel. Let's see here. Oh yeah, right here. Go to the excuse me. You go to the properties of this, and you change. Let's change the settings to U.S. dollars, and let's say we're just going to buy $1,000 of the stock for each of the trades, and let's say our initial capital is $10,000. So 1/10 of your initial capital for this. Okay, so now you can see I made those changes that you would have had 10 trades over the lifetime of the Apple. It's not very many, but so this is investing, not trading. So long-term investing. And then it tells you, you would have bought $1,000, so that would be $10,000 over those 10 trades, $1,000 each. Then it would have profited you $6,000. So that's like a 67% return on your investment. Not bad. And so 80% of the time you would have made money, and then 20% of the time you would have lost money on the trades. And you can go into the performance summary and see all the details, and you can go and list out all the trades that would have occurred when they would have occurred. So it's this strategy tester and TradingView is very cool. So let me look here and dig a little deeper. So this one, you would have bought 6 shares of Apple right here at like 165. And then this is what I call investment management. Now, I don't recommend you just buy and sell. What you probably want to do is you want to start to accumulate this, but there might be opportunities when you want to go into other assets, or you might want to take some profits off the table, or whatever life comes up and you needed some money, whatever the case may be. This might be a good time to maybe take some off the table, sell a little bit. I call it investment management. But this is assuming that you actually bought and sold. Like you would have bought 6 and you would have sold 6 here. Here you would have bought 7 shares and sold 7 shares here. We can go back in time and look at all of them. Here, back here, if you're fortunate to get into Apple back in 1997, you would have bought 4,000 shares and sold 4,000 shares here. So that's what that means. And so if you go back to, let's say let's go to like Microsoft and see what that would have. So you would have only had a 75% prof, for 10 times you would have made money. But overall, for the whole strategy, you would have had 8 trades, you would have made 32% on your money. Not bad. NVIDIA, every single one of the trades would have been successful. You would have did a total of 5 trades, and you would have made 70%, 77% of your money. So within the I actually went back and did the top 50 companies, and I went through each one of them, and as you can see, all of them were profitable, every single one. So you would be, what you want to do is you want to set up alerts, and what you do is you go here to like the stock here, and you say, I want the Greer Invest to alert me. You would just go here and click alert. You tell it you want to use this symbol, you want to use the Greer Invest strategy, and then you say create, and that will create the alert for you here. And then it will send you a message or a log or whatever that, hey, Greer Invest says that you should look at investing, and right now would be a good time. It will tell you that. You need to go here. Another thing you need to do is you need to go here to inputs. You need to turn on alerts. Click on the alerts to turn it on. And so within the script itself, you can, go with, if you want to see some details, I have some usage and purpose and what the overall strategy is. And then I did, the back testing numbers. I put them in the comments here that you can look. And overall, it was the strategy was about 82% of the trades were winners. And like that means like 17% of them were losers. So you need to be, careful about that. And then also talk about the drawdown within the stock itself. Let's say you bought $1,000 and it went, all went down to like $450, but the investment management thing did come back up and made it at a higher level. But this just shows you how much you're going to, during that time, there might be some drawdowns and need to be considered. Then also the duration of these trades are usually or investments are a long time. This is 396 bars. That would be like a year's worth of trading. That's the average. So again, this is a long-term strategy to help you determine when's a good time to invest and then when's a good time to do investment management. Now, this also works well with the Greer BuyZone indicator that is public that you can download today. And that Greer BuyZone indicator, um, which you can turn on and show vertical lines, is also, you can see that all the times that we invest are within the buy zone, within the Greer buy zone method. That's when we actually start to buy invest. So if you want to just use the buy zone and not just invest one time, but maybe dollar cost average during this time, you probably get even a better price per stock at that time, and you would be able to accumulate more over that period of time. So Greer Invest can be used alone or along with the BuyZone tool. So I hope that helps you on your investment journey. And if you have any questions or comments or things that you'd like to see more details, or if you'd like me to get into more details, I can talk to you exactly how the strategy works. I can do that as well if you're interested. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful, wonderful week. See you later.